Introducing Project Hatrack, a bespoke ECD custom Defender 110 soft top, meticulously crafted to reflect our client's uncompromising vision. Finished in a sublime eggshell Fuji White, this refined build is elegantly contrasted by sleek black accents, embodying both sophistication and rugged allure. Resting confidently on 18-inch Kahn 1983 alloy wheels, wrapped in BF Goodrich all-terrain tyres, Project Hatrack merges classic Defender heritage with contemporary performance. At the front, it features a heritage classic bumper enhanced by a worn winch, dual Hella 500 series LED spotlights, and an ECD-designed black metal steering guard, delivering both visual dominance and utilitarian strength. The open-air experience is framed by a robust multi-point soft-top roll cage, ensuring safety without compromising style. Inside, the cabin is a curated blend of craftsmanship and comfort. A premium Evander wood-rimmed steering wheel, autocross grey custom gauges, and Corbeau Sport seating in the front and mid-row set the tone. In the rear, 4 inward-facing jump seats add versatility while preserving the Defender's iconic utility. Every seat is luxuriously upholstered in Vision tobacco leather, featuring single vertical diamond stitching in contrasting black, a tactile expression of bespoke excellence. Beneath the hood lies the heart of modern performance, a formidable LT1 V8 engine, delivering 455 horsepower, paired seamlessly with a 10-speed automatic transmission, offering effortless power and smooth precision on and off the road. To complete the experience, Project Hatrack integrates modern convenience with cutting-edge tech, a touchscreen infotainment system, JL Infinity Kappa speakers, Apple CarPlay, and USB connectivity, all subtly woven into the timeless interior. Project Hatrack is not just a vehicle, it's a declaration of taste, a union of heritage and innovation, crafted without compromise. Discover yours.